Hi, I bought a used car and the speakers are blown. So my brother told me that it's possible to actually fix them. It depends. I mean, I guess if the voice coil is bad, it's toast. But if it just sounds crackly, but it's still producing sound, you can actually replace the foam surround. So let's get started. This particular speaker, this is an Infinity speaker for Chrysler. And it's got this cover on here, which is actually on here pretty good. There we go. I think it was actually part of the original foam surround, I believe. You can see here, once we get that off, you can see that it's totally separated all the way around. And this happens with foam. I guess it's pretty common. And this particular speaker is actually 15 years old, so first step is to cut this off. I could see where the paper is at, right here on the edge. I just need to cut all the foam off. Now, I imagine if my brother were doing this, he'd be a lot more meticulous. But I don't have a lot of patience, so I'm just going to get this done as fast as I can. So don't consider this a demonstration of like the proper way to do this. This is a demonstration of how to do it quick and get some music back in your car. This particular car actually has 4 speakers, and so I've already done the first 2 and they sound really good. Would you like to get a closer look of this? Let's see here. Oh, it cuts easier if I if I pull harder on the foam. I found from doing the front speakers that it really doesn't need to be perfect to get these to sound good. And I'm going back out the camera. So there we go. Now you can see that that's all completely separated there. You know? Yeah, okay. Now I got a plastic scraper here and I'm going to scrape off this stuff on the edge. So I bought a kit on eBay from America, although it's probably still Chinese parts. I got it really quick. It only took like a couple of days. Let's clean up a little bit here. All right. So it came with the glue. Maybe it's a little clogged. Oops, shit. It got unclogged and it squirted all over the place. Whoops. Yeah, now it's coming out really easy. Okay. I'll flip this over now. Try to get this lined up as good as possible. And the way I'm doing that is by looking at the seam in here on the paper and just trying to keep the distance the same all the way around. I'll clean up that goober in a minute. Although I should probably clean it up as fast as I can, but the parts where there's more glue seems like it's not sticking as easily. All right, let's see if we can just get some of this off of here. Huh, that worked pretty well. Kit came with a paintbrush. I'm not sure why, I haven't really used it for anything, but hey, it worked really good for cleaning up that goober. Alright, I'm just going to go back through again here, just make sure it's pressed down all the way around. It is important that it is somewhat aligned well, and I can see here that it's really not. Probably should have pushed this down a little more. But, oh well. I didn't do a very good job on this one. The other two I did turn out pretty good, actually. But you know, I think it's probably going to turn out just fine. We'll see. Yeah, I don't think it has to be that perfect, actually. But we'll see. All right, let's go ahead and do the outside. This came with a, this speaker has that outer foam thing, so I'm just going to use that to actually press it all down. And just as a demonstration, I'll go ahead and pull it off real quick, and you can kind of see that pressed it down all the way around. Hopefully that's pretty centered too, and then I'm just going to rest that on its own weight for a little while, let it dry. Thanks for watching.